I would want sustainability to be integrated into the curriculum. So it's not only theme weeks or workshops, but it's like a mandatory course and you have to learn about sustainability to graduate.
Be a couple of months where we speak about it or have a project about it and then you sort of forget about it again. So like make it consistent and keep on teaching it.
I would like it more to be talked about as something we can get ourselves out of and like work together towards a sustainable future instead of scaring people, because I feel like nowadays it's a lot, this is what we've gotten ourselves into and not this is how we get ourselves out of this situation.
Making children realize that it is important, because now it's more like this is what's happening and we can do nothing about it.
And I think we can also educate about this all or nothing mindset. So many people say, I can't change the world, I don't matter, it's the big companies that are gonna have to change something. And although you maybe cannot change the whole world, you can still make an impact.